Good morning everyone. This is the first video of SST of this week, and this is the first class of SST after half yearly exam. So I hope you all are fine and you all have given your half yearly exam very nicely. Now from today onwards we will start our syllabus for unit 3. Okay, we will start the chapters which will come in unit 3. We will cover portion of unit 3. Okay, so let us start. My dear, today I am going to explain you chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau. But before teaching this chapter, I would like to say that read the chapter very nicely. When you will read the chapter, you will come to know the important points of the chapter. That what things you have to read in this chapter. Okay, and it will increase your reading capacity also, reading capability also. Okay, you can pronounce the words nicely. So first read the whole chapter very nicely, and where you will face any difficulty in pronunciation during the online classes, you can ask it. Clear? And my dear, please watch these videos. These videos are very helpful for you. I have come to know that few of the students are not watching the video. It's not good, my dear. We are working very hard for making these videos. So please watch these videos, and I know you will enjoy it because a lots of pictures are over there which will help you in your studies. So try to understand the chapter. In this chapter, today I am going to explain you about the plateau. As the name of the chapter is the Southern Plateau, the first thing is that what is plateau? The first thing that strikes on your mind, that plateau, what is plateau? Then you must know. After that, the location and physical features of Southern Plateau. Okay, where these plateaus are located and what are its physical features. About these things I will explain you today. And parts of Southern Plateau. The Southern Plateau has been divided into two parts. About these parts I will explain you. Okay, so let us start. What is plateau? First let me show you the picture of plateau. Here you can see this is plateau. Okay, to see this, what first thing strikes on your mind? It looks like a table, isn't it? So it is called as tableland also. Okay, a plateau is an extensive flat area of elevated upland. Here you can see this is a flat land, and in this flat land this area is elevated area, means raised area. And in raised area upside you can see this is again flat area. This is known as plateau. Okay, the flat area on a upland, the flat area of elevated upland is known as plateau. It is also called as tableland. Clear? In this picture you can see, again I am explaining you. See, this is a flat area, and in this flat area this one is the elevated area. Okay, and here you can see in elevated area there is a flat area. This is known as what? This is known as plateau. Okay, this is plateau. Clear? One more definition of plateau is an area of fairly level high ground is called as a plateau. An area of fairly level high ground. Here you can see the same thing. High ground, it is high ground, and here it is the fairly leveled area. So the area of fairly leveled high ground and fairly leveled area, it is known as plateau. Now, the Southern Plateau. You have to read about the Southern Plateau. It lies to the south of Northern Plains. Not north, it lies to the south of Northern Plains. Northern Plains, this area is the Northern Plains. These areas were the Northern Plains. So it lies to the north of Southern Plain. South of Northern Plain. Okay, and it is forming a triangular shape. Here you can see this whole area. It is forming what? It is forming a triangular shape. In the northern side, it is broader, and when it comes to the southern part of India, it is narrower. Clear? It is forming a triangular shape. It is. Wait 1 minute. Yes, it is forming a triangular shape, and it is broader in north, and in south it is narrower. Clear? It covers a major part of India. You can see it covers a major part of India, and its length is about 1600 kilometer from north to south. From north to south, this length. Okay, it is about 1600 kilometer. And its breadth means what? This distance. Okay, so its breadth is about 1400 kilometer east to west. The east to west distance is breadth. It is about 1400 kilometer. Clear? So its length is 1600 kilometer, and its breadth is 1400 kilometer. Clear? So it covers a very big area. It covers a very big part of our country. It slopes down from west to east. Now, from west to east, it slopes down. See here, you can see. Here, these are the slopes. Clear? And the Southern Plateau is bounded by the chain of hills on its eastern and western part. Okay, here these are the chain of hills in its eastern and western part, which is known as Eastern Ghats. This one is the Eastern Ghat. And here this part is known as Western Ghat. Okay, this one is Eastern Ghat, and this part is Western Ghat. And these hills are called these hills, all these hills. It is bounded by the chain of hills. These are the chain of hills, and it is known as Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. And these two Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats, where it meets, these two ghats meets at Nilgiri Hill. Here, this one is the Nilgiri Hills. So these Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meets at Nilgiri Hills in the south. Now these southern plateaus are divided into two parts. Okay, this southern plateaus is divided into two parts, and river Narmada divides it into two parts. First part is known as Central Highland, and second part is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay, let me show you through the map. Here you can see. This whole area is of Deccan Plateau area. Okay, and it has been divided into two parts, this part and this part. Okay, first part is this one and second part is this one. This part is known as Central Highland. What it is called? Central Highland. Central Highland. And downside it's called as Deccan Plateau. Here it's written also. This is Deccan Plateau and this one is Central Highland. Okay, about this Central Highland and Deccan Plateau, I will explain you in next class. Okay, this Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau, these all comprises many small parts. Okay, like Chota Nagpur, Vindhyas, Aravalis, or the Chhattisgarh Plateau, Bastard Hills. Many things are over there. So I will discuss all these things in next class. Okay, till then, read the chapter very nicely and try to understand the location of this Southern Plateau. Till then, bye. Thank you.